is Joy from This is Pocket Learning. So, today I'm going to tell you what black and white is. So people think black and white are colors, but they're not actually colors. So black is a shade and white is a tint. If you mix a color with black, it becomes a shade because it's darker. And if you mix a color with white, it's called a tint because it's lighter. I'm also going to tell you what salt painting is. So salt painting is a painting that you use salt, paint, glue, and canvas. 4 things that you use to make salt painting. So let's get started. So you're going to take your glue, put it wherever you want it to be. So if you don't want your glue to dry very fast, you just need to pour your salt every time when you think it's going to start drying. So I'm just going to start pouring a bit, if it's okay. So you don't really need to put that much. You just need to put a little bit enough to shake it wherever you want it to be. So some parts got it and some parts didn't, so I'm just going to continue.
Sorry. Keep going.
It's okay if you make mistakes because you could redo it on a new piece of canvas, or you could do it on a new piece of paper. Okay, so now I'm done tracing like the outside lines. So I'm gonna pour salt on those lines. Okay, I think this might be enough of salt, so I'm just gonna shake it to this side, shake it down, shake it to the side. Now I got the outline good, so now I'm gonna start doing the lines that's inside. You could take your time. I'm gonna put some salt. Okay. So now I'm just gonna spread the salt all around the canvas. Wow, there's so much salt on the table, so I'm just gonna pour some in my hand, put it on drying like that. So today I drew Mickey Mouse, but you could draw whatever you want, like animals, like books. So let's review what we learned today. So we learned about salt painting, and we also learned that black and white are not colors, but black's a shade and white's a tint. So I hope you had fun doing the salt painting. My name is Joy from This is Pocket Learning. Thanks for watching. Bye!